Latest on the PSL News bafethu uvane lo, so I'm back again with indaba zala eSouth Africa bafethu eyidila nabadlali abaqhamuka khona la eSouth Africa. So kwezinye izindaba ke beyihamba phambili namhlanje ngizwile bafethu kuthiwa uOlivier Torre ona 27 usey free agent. uOlivier Torre idefender ebedlalela iStelis, idefender lisasana kudayiswa iStelis belidayisa le kwiclub edlala kwiUAE Pro League. Kuthiwa le club le iterminate le contract yakhe umjida, iterminate nje le club le umjida usadlale 3 months kuyona iclub, usadlale 3 months. Imagine leaving iStelis, you were the best defender kwiStelis and joining iclub yale eUAE, but khona bafike bakuterminate le contract yakho after usadlale 3 months. Izinto azikho kimnandi. Menikhumbula kahle ke lo mjida lo, he was one of those defenders oyifuna ama-team amaningi la ku-Betway Premiership amakhulu. I remember Orlando Pirates was interested in signing lo mjida lo. I remember Kaizer Chiefs was interested in signing umjida lo. But ke currently he's a free agent. We don't really know which team might want to sign him back. Maybe ke iStelis ngakwazi ukuthi simsign back because vele nabo ba strugglisha at the moment. They need ama defenders to help them, yabo basuke lapha ezansi. iStelis, truth must be told, actually iStelis asidlali kahle, yabo iStelis asidlali kahle, sebadinga abadlali abazokwazi ukuthi babatakule. So ngangitshela ama comments, should Kaizer Chiefs sign lo mjida lo bafethu Olivier Torre noma Orlando Pirates must pursue signing him? But I don't think Orlando Pirates izozama ukumsign because uma ubheka iquality yama defenders abanawo currently, Mbokazi, Siyema, Sibisi, Sesane is coming back, you have Unda who is coming back naye, Thapelo Xhoki. You see the quality there. I don't think Orlando Pirates might try to pursue to sign this player, but again anything can happen bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu, iKaizer Chiefs DDC side will face iMan United. iManchester United ke bafethu ile iManchester United yeyingane kodwa kusiyona ile Manchester enabantu abadala. Bazoshaya bafethu itho njengoba bezoya le eEngland bayodlala neMan United, neLeeds United, neQueens Park Rangers. So lokhu kuzokwazi ukuthi basiza bathi ukuthi badlale kahle. Menikhumbula kahle ke iyona iKaizer Chiefs eyawina iDDC last season. Njengoba kuyibona bawina nje iDDC last season, i-tradition ke le ejwayele ukwenziwa vele ukuthi ama team awina iDDC bashaya itho. Le tho le bale England bawodlala nama teams. Sayikhumbula ke iStelis nako yawenza last season idlala nama team amahlukahlukene le England. So iKaizer Chiefs nayo izokwenza the same thing, ihambe ile eEngland iyo represent iSouth Africa, bafike lapha badlali. Baningi abadlali abazothola experience, baningi abadlali abazokwazi bagqugquzeleke. iKaizer Chiefs currently ayenzi kahle ku-DDC, so lethole ingabanikeza i-chance ukuthi bayiredeem mase bebuya back. Yabo nje abeyodlala nama team nje yanabadlali baqhamuka kuma academies amakhulu. So ukudlala against those players mhlambe ngabanikeza leyo nto leyo yokubuya back kwi-DDC table, bakwazi ukuchallenge Orlando Pirates njengoba nje Orlando Pirates ihlele esicongweni ku-DDC table. Kwezinye izindaba ngisakuyona nje iKaizer Chiefs iSAFA namhlanje ikhiphile umbiko uthi iSAFA asanele vele bayi benoLuke Batman bama free agents and right now they can officially play for iKaizer Chiefs. Imbiko kuphumile bafethu abajida sebezokwazi baqale badlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Amusho ama-fans amaningi kade ayibuza ukuthi kanti baphi labadlali labo why bengayidlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Uphumile ke umbiko namhlanje bafethu, they will play for iKaizer Chiefs in the upcoming games. I'm sure asanele vele baya ade ayefisa umdlalelo umjida. Ezinye izindaba bafethu eziphumile namhlanje, Al Ahly appoint ucoach omusha bafethu oqhamuka le eEurope. Lo coach lo bafethu wase Denmark, ufollowa nje uJose Rivero. uJose Rivero kusathana kushiya Al Ahly athi cha sifuna nje omunye ucoach oqhamuka le eEurope esomsayinisa for 2.5 year deal. So 2 years and a half. Bamsayina nje for 2 years and a half. Let's hope kulo mjidelo uzofika enze kahle lapha kwi-Al Ahly. Ugama lakhe uJess Torup. Kwezinye izindaba futhi ugoalkeeper weKaizer Chiefs uFies Ntwara ubhalile lapha ku-Instagram yakhe, wabhala wathi I can, I must, I will. Le message ayibhalile strong kakhulu le message le, cause mukhumbula kahle umjida vele akekho esimene esikahle. Menikhumbula kahle kuthiwa kuzoba khona i-hearing yakhe with iKaizer Chiefs, yabo, regarding into ayenza. Kodwa ke ubhalile la uthi I can, I must, I will. It looks like umjida usenda i-message kuma doubters akhe. I hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi abe right akwazi ukuthi aqhubeke uKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ingayithatha decision engekho right. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ngingakhohlwa namhlanje Bafana under 20 amajita they are playing against iColombia. Ningakhohlwa ke bafethu igame izobe live kuSABC 2. Last time SABC usithembise igame asiyibonanga manikhumbulahle playing against France, but ke ningakhathali bafethu iyatholakala live ku FIFA Plus. Umuna nje iFIFA Plus utholakala mahala, shaya sign up lapha uzokwazi uyibuka imatch kahle for mahala bafethu. So I hope abajita bazokwazi ukuthi badlale kahle namhlanje bawine round of 16 lo. These are the rounds of 16, so kumele senze sure ukuthi siyakwazi ukuqualify for ama quarterfinals, maybe semifinals, who knows, maybe final yabo. But ke kuyadlalwa namhlanje, kudlalwa ngo 9:30 ebusuku. So ungakhohlwa bafethu uthathe remote nje ihlale ngakuwena, mase nje kuphele inimba, thatha remote ufake lapho ubuka Bafana. Kwezinye izindawo namhlanje ESAFPU iPlayers Union bafethu, iPlayers Union ikhiphe umbiko. Lo mbiko ke le bafethu ngizamile ukuhumusha ngawufunda, mhlambe ke udinga ungahamba uye khona uyofunda lapha. iPlayers Union ikhiphile South African Football Players Union, ile union ke le protector abadlali yabo, iprotector abadlali abadlala la khona la kwiBetway Premiership seyakhipha umbiko regarding uJunior Khanye yabo, engakhulumi kahle ngabadlali. But ke namhlanje izokhuluma ngobani? Izokhuluma ngoHugo Broos. Hugo Broos ushiye amagama angekho mnandi kuJayden Adams noFawaz Basadini. So they are trying to correct statements sakhe Hugo Broos usinto ayishilo yona, it was a constructive criticism yabo, constructive criticism, but engekho mnandi, because you cannot say abadlali bajoin iMamelodi Sundowns just because of imali yabo. That's the reason why you are not calling them up for a national team. That's the reason why bengaperform kahle, because there are many players who are playing with iMamelodi Sundowns. You cannot say izinto kanjalo kubadlali, because leyo nto leyo ngeke izifile right kubadlali, because when you look at the likes of Austin Police, he joined Orlando Pirates ngenxa ya imali, but when he's playing at Orlando Pirates you don't see ukuthi umjide he joined because of imali, because the way he plays with Orlando Pirates yabo, he is playing very very good with Orlando Pirates. So it was a constructive criticism, but ke engabekwanga kahle. So amanye amagama bayasho la ukuthi akumele bawabeke kanje. But for me I think lento leshiwo ile Players Union, iPlayers Union for me I don't think baneqiniso. Players Union iunion nje le ngisathanda kuyibona, angaze ngayibona before, ngaqala nje kuyibona ngalento le kalomfana lo Jayden Adams beno Junior Khanye. uJunior Khanye manikhumbula kahle wakhuluma kambi ngoJayden Adams, base bakhuluma ke laba bathi laba aba-analyzayo aba-analyze ibhola bekhulume kabi ngabadlali ayikho right lento abayenzayo, and abantu angimele nje kukhulunywe kabi ngabadlali abadlala kuBetway Premiership, abadlala kuPSL. And lento lengayibuka ngathi hayibo, awukwazi ukuthi usilence ama-media outlets, awukwazi ukuthi usilence ama-podcast ngokukhuluma ngokuveza ama-views. Umdlali mengadlali kahle akadlali kahle umdlali mengadlali kahle, that player doesn't play well. Iqiniso mele laziwe, we cannot sugarcoat izinto, iqiniso silibona yabo. You cannot silence abantu eqinisweni. Team, let's say team yadli ugoalkeeper like mukhumbula kahle uVelimoto, yakhumbula into eyenza uVelimoto ngokwakho. Do you think ama-fans angahlala nje athule ngalento eyenzeka lapha? Ngeke ahlala athule, because into abangayithandi. uJunior Khanye, I know he is not a fan, but he's the voice of our fans of uJunior Khanye. The reason why uJunior Khanye lapha with iDiski TV, it's because usho lento vele enye ecatshwa ngamanye ama-fans yabo. Now umbuzo engayibuza wona mina ngale Players Union, iunion yabadlali, why bengafikanga kwi-situation kaSaling? I-situation kaSaling, I didn't see them covering i-situation kaSaling. They went there, abengekho kwi-situation kaSaling. uSaling wayenenkinga, abafikanga bamcomfort uSaling, bakhuluma ngaye kanje nje wabekhuluma ngaye. I feel like kunento ekhona esingayazi thina regarding le Players Union le. I feel like bayakhetha ukuthi kumele bakhulume ngani, kumele bangakhulumi ngani, because so far abadlali ngisababonile ibo-protectayo abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. Ngabe kuprotectwa abadlali beSundowns kuphela yini noma kwenziwani? Akukhulunywe bafethu, but ningakhethi ukuthi nikhuluma ngoba, ningakhethi ukuthi nivikele uba. Ngangitshela bafethu kuma comments ngizizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le, but for me I don't think into le right eyenziwa iPlayers Union yabo. Ngangitshela wena uzizwa kanjani ngayo? Akhohle bafethu ungifollow lapha Instagram nguVane Sports, ufike nje usearch uthi Vane Sports. Ngajabula kakhulu uthi ungifollow lapha. Ama-followers asemancane okwamanje, wasemancane, but ke sizofika kule level leya okwamanje sapatanisa. Account yami yokuqala ngayilahla, yalahleka ipassword ngayikhohlwa, so ngisacela nje ungakhohlwa ungifollow lapha uVane Sports.